So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with another insane battle of the different fuel variants. That's right, it's petrol versus diesel, and today diesel has got his work cut out. Stay tuned for this one, it's gonna be sick. Let's get it.
Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it.
Hey yo, the Gas Gang have gone mad. For the whole month of December, it only costs you 99p to join. It's literally dirt cheap, and that gets you full access to the exclusive discounts, exclusive behind the scenes videos, the private Discord server, exclusive merch, and most importantly, enters you in for this Christmas's insane Gas Gang giveaway. On the 23rd of December, someone in the Gas Gang is walking away with a brand new PS5, including the epic Gran Turismo 7. On top of that, an insane Legends limited edition Noble's chair, and also a set of Sugarcoat. And just to top it off, a full year's free membership to the Gas Gang. Joining up has literally got to be a no-brainer right now. Like, what can you even buy for 99p anymore? There's no contract and you can cancel anytime you please. Do not miss this opportunity, it won't be around long. Links are in the description, let's get back to the video. So welcome back to the OG battles, where owners pitch their crazy cars against each other to see who comes out on top. And today, after big claims that this diesel A6 build can stay with a stock C7 RS6 on a previous feature, we put a call out to see if we could find one. And it seems there's hardly any stock C7 RS6s left. But good news is, we found one. Bad news for the A6 owner is it's an RS6 performance model, meaning it's got more power than a standard RS6. Either way, he hasn't backed out and he's ready to do battle. So, in partnership with RACELOGIC, and as usual, we're going to be carrying out two sets of races. First up today, it's a quarter-mile roll race. Next up, it's a drag race to the quarter mile. All races are best of 3, and the VBOX Performance Box Touch will be recording data such as 0 to 60s, quarter-mile times, and more to give you guys the stats on how these fast family wagons perform. Let's get over and meet both cars and their owners. So first up today, welcoming AUDRIUS back to the channel, repping for Team Diesel with his crazy 550 brake horsepower, 1000 Nm, 3 litre V6 by TDI powered Audi A6 ALLROAD, built by AUDRIUS Power and Povilis at Prap Autos and tuned by Atanas from Radif's Garage. Modifications include twin-turbo custom hybrid turbos, an SQ7 fuel pump shaft upgrade, a Wagner competition intercooler, 2 litre by TDI injectors and 2700 bar rail sensor, methanol injection, a 90mm downpipe and RS6 intake. So, the ALLROAD's running on Michelin PS4S street tyres and has actually been weighed in at 2,100 kg, giving it a power to weight ratio of 261 brake horsepower per tonne. The A6 drives all 4 of its wheels via its tuned ZF8 speed traditional auto transmission and quattro drivetrain. And he's going to be stepping up against and welcoming to the channel RAZA, holding it up for Team Petrol with his stock 605 brake horsepower, 750 Nm, 4 litre V8 twin turbo powered Audi RS6 Performance. Now, although the RS6 Performance is still bone stock, it actually sees a gain of 45 brake horsepower and 50 Nm of torque over the standard C7 RS6, resulting in not only a faster 0 to 60, but also a higher top end capability. The RS6 is running on Continental Conti Sport Contact 5 street tyres and is estimated to weigh in at 2,025 kg, giving it a power to weight ratio of 298 brake horsepower per tonne. The RS6 also drives all 4 of its wheels via its ZF8 speed traditional auto gearbox and quattro drivetrain. AUDRIUS, welcome back to the channel, brother.
Hi Jamie again.
I know, again, so we've actually made it happen.
Yeah,
Finally.
Long time.
We've been looking for a long time for a stock RS6.
Yep.
We thought there was none left.
Yeah.
But we found one.
Yeah, not really what we wanted.
Not what we wanted though, because it's a performance.
Yeah, performance.
A facelift performance, which basically, it's as fast as you can get.
Yeah, it's about 60, I think, horsepower more than standard.
Yeah. So you're up against it.
Yeah, good, good. We like.
It's going to put the car to the test. What do you reckon is going to happen today then?
Roll race, I think he might have it me because he have more power.
Okay.
drag race is run slightly different tires, so that's gonna be interesting how it's gonna hoop up on these kind of conditions.
Yep.
But I think it's gonna be close race. It's gonna be a very good race.
Yeah,
if I can keep up with him, I'll be happy.
Exactly,
you know?
exactly.
That's what we say.
You know, this is a proper petrol versus diesel, underdog versus, you know, this is the top spec, top of the line. This is as good as it gets for the C7 chassis, right?
Yes, it's 2 times more expensive than my car.
There you go. Well, listen, bro, whatever happens, it's going to be very interesting, and let's race.
Let's race.
RAZA, welcome to the channel, brother.
Thank you for having me on.
Bro, my pleasure. Listen, it was so hard to find a stock C7 RS6. It was unbelievable, but you stepped up. Only problem is you stepped up with a performance.
That's it.
A little bit too much power, but
yeah.
Look, it's going to make for a good race. And I mean, today, I guess you're kind of the test guinea pig, because most people are going to want to see that diesel car win, right? Because he's the underdog. But in your mind, how do you think this is going to go down? Drag race and roll race, what's the outcome?
I'll be honest with you, I'm not actually sure, because I've got a stock RS6. We're up against a stage 3 A6, which has got 1,000 Newton meters of torque.
That's the benefit, right?
Exactly. So I'm thinking he's going to maybe pull off quickly, because obviously he's got the advantage of the 1,000 Newton meters. But I'm sure we'll reel him in and take the win.
Okay, see, that's what I like, confidence. Well, listen, you're representing for the Petrol Boys and the RS division of Audi right now. So, bro, do your best and let's race.
No pressure.
Let's go.
And that's right, today the lads are going to be battling it out to take home the Sugarcoat Cup and a set of its ultra effective, super sweet ceramic waterless washes. And first up today, it's the roll races. But first, let's get a quick sound check. So, the idea for this one is for both cars to roll together at an agreed speed, the left car sets pace, and as soon as they hit the start marker, it's go time. And the RS6 takes the first win for Team Petrol, beating the ALLROAD to the finish line by around 2 car lengths. Not bad for a first run, but let's line them up and see if anything changes.
This methanol is different thing. I can keep up with it. It's faster.
And after an insane run down the strip, the RS6 performance only just manages to fight off the ALLROAD, beating AUDRIUS to the line by just under a car length. That was close. So, let's just take a deeper dive into the car's true performances using the VBOX PBT and extracting the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved from the runs. Unsurprisingly, the RS6 achieved a faster 100 to 200 time of just 8.34 seconds. The ALLROAD, not too far off pace, runs a 100 to 200 kph time of 9.72 seconds. That's data to back up the results. And round 1 goes to RAZA, Team Petrol and that mighty RS6 performance. Next up, it's the drag races. Let's go! And the RS6 shows its power and weight advantage, beating the ALLROAD to the line by a bus length. Let's line them back up and see if the ALLROAD can pull one back.
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, boy, there's too much gapperonis, mate. There's too much.
I had to send him to Gapistan.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And again, petrol dominates, taking the win once again by a bus length. And that was all she wrote. So let's just take a look at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved by the lads. The RS6 Performance runs a mind-boggling 0 to 60 time for a supposedly stock car of just 3.16 seconds. The ALLROAD, surprisingly not far behind, runs an impressive 0 to 60 time of just 3.68 seconds. However, neither car quite quick enough to make it onto the leaderboard. Then taking a look at the fastest quarter mile times from the pair, once again the RS6 goes fastest, covering the quarter mile in 11.37 seconds at a speed of 122 miles per hour. The ALLROAD covers the quarter mile over half a second slower in 12.04 seconds at a speed of 116 miles per hour. However, once again, both cars just off pace to make it onto the ultra competitive all-wheel drive leaderboard. And the petrol-propelled Audi RS6 Performance takes round 2 and lifts the Sugarcoat Cup, also taking home all 4 flavours of its epic super effective ceramic waterless washes. Congrats, brother. So, taking a look back at today's results, it's clear to see the diesel A6 bit off a little bit more than it could chew, but still runs impressively and realistically not too far off pace for a lower powered heavier car. The ALLROAD has previously been timed running in the 11s, but even on its best day would not be able to keep up with the times the RS6 achieved today. On the flip side, the diesel A6 wins the MPG award, still achieving a proven 50 miles per gallon, over double what the RS6 would see on its best day. So it's not all bad. But tell me this, do you think today's races would have been different if the RS6 was a non-performance model? Let me know. And of course, let me know which one of the two you'd prefer to own and why, and if you're team petrol or team diesel. Also, show your car some love by grabbing yourself the sweetest, most hydrophobic ceramic waterless wash on the market, Sugarcoat, and save yourself 20% off the whole product range in the process using my unique code OG20. They'll also make for a great present. Links are in the description, thank me later. And if you have enjoyed today's battles, make sure to show your support by smashing that subscribe button, and be sure not to miss another race by hitting that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same place, same time, with another epic OG battle. Peace out.